Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to make a cute little clay doll step by step. So for making it I am using here the foaming clay as a material. Let's start the process. First take some clay and roll it into a long shape. Now take another piece of clay, roll it well and give a round shape. Next, gently press both shape clay so it becomes slightly flat and attach them properly. After that, cut the long shape clay from the middle by using scissors. So I am using here scissors to cut it properly. Now separate the pieces and shape each part carefully to give the proper shape. Next, we will take a small amount of clay. For the hair portion, we will make it long and gently press it so that it becomes flat, and we will attach the hair that is the front hair portion properly. And for back hair also we will do same. Take a little amount of clay and we will take little big one, means big amount of clay, and we will press it and make the broader shape and give the proper shape and attach it from the back. Next, we will take small amount of clay to make the eyeball portion and attach it properly. Now we will go for the dress portion, means the upper portion and the lower skirt portion. So we are using the pink clay here for the upper portion and yellow for the lower skirt. So for upper we are taking little small clay and give it the proper shape and fixed it properly from both front and from the back. And for the lower skirt we make it little broader and give the proper shape and attach it properly. Next we will make a flower. Okay, so for flower we will take a round shape clay, press it properly and take a small little clay to make the petal of this flower and attach them properly. Now fix this flower at the middle portion of the skirt. Okay, and now this cute doll is ready. So if you like the video, do comment below.